The LAC has been in existence for the past 35 years, taking on the case of public interest with a wider impact on the community. However, a lack of financial resources is posing a challenge for the centre to take on cases as desired.
Such as a medical negligence case, it takes lots of money to get experts and people to testify. We're very limited in terms of the types of cases that we take on. So we've sort of streamlined some of the cases that we're dealing with. We're really looking at strategic litigation, which means we always try to take a case that can either change the law for the better of the bigger group of people, or for law reform, or to challenge a constitutional issue.
This ranges from land tribunal to environmental cases. The centre, which celebrated its 35 years of existence of bringing services closer to the people, works in 5 broad areas, mainly litigation, information and advice, education and training, research, law reform and advocacy.
And we have a few local standing cases that we are looking at and how to bring, Namibia hasn't got, we don't have class action. You have to have a specific interest, direct interest in the matter before you can actually take it to court. And many times in our local communities, there's a group of people that might have an issue together and they need to either form an association of sorts, and it's always difficult for them to do this kind of thing because it's a very Western concept. So we try to look at how we can make it easier for them to come to court without having to go through all that common law procedures.
During its celebration, LAC provided citizens with immediate advice and consultations specifically related to human rights issues.